Farooq Abdullah creating a major controversy by claiming that the third-party intervention should not really be seen as a problem and that there is a need for a third-party intervention to settle the dispute between India and Pakistan. This is the former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir saying that if America and China want to mediate in the Kashmir issue, they should be allowed to do so. This is a major, statement that has been made by the National Conference President and the former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Farooq Abdullah. And this statement, Supriya, would raise a lot of eyebrows. In fact, before I come to you, we'll play out that reaction and then I'll just ask you the question.
आप ये कहते हैं ना तीसरी पार्टी, ट्रंप ने खुद कहा कि I want to settle Kashmir problem. हमने थोड़ा कहा उससे. चीन ने कहा अभी कि I want to mediate in Kashmir. किसी को तो आपको इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा बातचीत करने. हम थोड़ा कहते हैं उनके हवाले कर दो.
And that's the big question, Supriya, that one needs to ask Mr. Farooq Abdullah, that why should there be a need for a third-party intervention? Why should there be a need to have other countries interfering and involving themselves in a dispute that is, between two nations that has a past and that is such an internal matter?
Well, absolutely, yes, Avantika. As far as Kashmir is concerned, India has maintained its policy from a very long time that it's a bilateral issue between India and Pakistan. We don't need a third party to intervene, whether it is China, whether it is United Nations or US. At the same time, also in the past, also we have seen that in the Parliament this matter was raised time and again. The government of India has also taken a strong stand that it's a bilateral issue. Even the opposition has backed that stand. This is what we hear from Rahul Gandhi also when he was asked about Farooq Abdullah. Now, National Conference and Congress are allies. They were in alliance and they were running this government in Jammu Kashmir for quite some time, for 10 years long. And now, when Farooq Abdullah gave this statement, the statement which came back from Congress was that of Rahul Gandhi, who cleared as to what is the stand of the opposition as far as the government that India is Kashmir and Kashmir is India. In the past also, there have been these matters raised by National Conference and PDP that a third-party intervention should be taken place.
Yes.
But as far as Kashmir is concerned, the policy is settled. It is our internal matter, and even not just the Pakistan issue is concerned, government of India has taken a very strong stand in the past also that there will be no other third party involved, including the separatists who are there in Kashmir Valley.
All right. So first, Farooq Abdullah calls stone pelters nationalists, and now he bats for US mediation in the affairs of Kashmir. Supriya, we're going to leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining us.